All right, Bears, good morning and welcome back. It is a Tuesday. You are in Zoom, hopefully in your science class, because that's the classes we do on Tuesday. Tomorrow will be in history class, but all the work this week will be in history. So you're going to go to your courses, open up your history slideshow. Let's go take a look at it right now to make sure everybody remembers. History is World History Geography, Ancient Civ A. History is the H. I always call it history, but that's what it looks like on Schoology. You open that up, you look to the right, you'll see Mesopotamia, Canaan, Geography. You're going to click that, you're going to open that, My Document, Edit Document, do not submit till Friday, and then you're going to get working on your slideshows. Once you've opened that slideshow, you're going to go back up to your groups. You're going to go to your Mr. Downs Super Students. You're going to immediately come in and click Show More, and you're going to want to, I think I lost everything I just wrote there. Anyway, you're going to come over here and you'll see up here, it'll say Tuesday's assignment. And on that Tuesday's assignment, you will see the concepts. You're going to copy the concepts, copy them all, put them all on your first open slide, and now you'll be ready to start your slideshow for the day. All right, little tip of the day. I thought I lost all of my work. I clicked the back button, so sometimes if you think you lost your work, click the back button, it is still there. So here it is. I haven't posted it yet, but you're going to copy the concepts. Let's go over the concepts now. Mesopotamia, ancient Canaan, Yom Kippur, scribes, cuneiform, Tigris River, Euphrates River, ancient irrigation, Sumerians, Mediterranean Sea, and Persian Gulf. So remember, when there's a comma, this whole, let's look at this one, like ancient irrigation, that both those words are one concept. We usually have 10 concepts. Remember, just copy the whole thing, paste it into your slide, and then you can start building your slideshow. Monday is a foundational day. That's when we want to get our outline for the week. Just gets us going. We sometimes watch a quick little video like we'll check right now. And let's take a look. Now, this is a 9-minute video. We'll watch this tomorrow in class, but I just want to show you that the link is there in case you want to get ahead of the game. We will use some of this information for one of our CERs this week, and I do have a bonus thing to tell you about in that. But let's talk about the overview. We're looking about ancient Mesopotamia today, and we're tapping a little bit into Judaism, the Jewish people. They lived in Canaan. Canaan was right up in here. And the reason we're tapping into them a little ahead of schedule is due to yesterday's holiday. We were off school because of Yom Kippur. If you hold to a Christian faith like Catholicism, Mormonism, Calvary Chapel, all kinds of different Christian religions, you also hold to certain elements of that holiday, the Day of Atonement. We will get into some of those differences later in the year. But when we have a holiday due to a faith or a religious tradition that we are studying this year, it's good to mention it. So it's called the Day of Atonement, and we will watch a short video today on that just so you understand it. But then we will come back to Judaism later. But Judaism is started right here in the land of Canaan. If anybody goes to church, you're going to see a lot of references to what we're studying this year, because guess what? Moses was in Egypt. At one point, the Babylonians were attacking, the Assyrians, the Akkadians. Lots of war going on in this little Fertile Crescent, it's called. And we're going to study why is it called a Fertile Crescent this week. I'll let you figure that out as we go. Some of these colored lines give you some hints. But the area this week and for the next several weeks, many empires, many kingdoms, including Judaism, happened right here in this Mesopotamian region, the land between two rivers. So this area here, a lot goes on. So we will stay in this area for several weeks. One of our focuses is geography. Geography has to do with maps. So we're looking at some geographical features here. We have rivers, we have oceans, we have seas, we have mountains, we have deserts. So those are all geographical features. And one of our focuses this week, our overriding question is, how do geographical features impact civilization and create civilizations. And so what lends itself in a desert or a mountain or a river or maybe by the ocean or more trees or less trees, what features lend themselves, cause civilizations to develop, settling and things like that, and what features might keep for nomads. We still have nomads today. We have hunter-gatherers today living in different parts of the world. So that's kind of our overview. Monday we just touch on it because I want you to do the research. So let's get back to what you need to get done by the end of class today. Come over here, we have a map. Oh, bonus. This is what I'm going to remind you. A bonus optional feature this week. Let's take a look. It's in our groups. First of all, the basics is, everything I just said is right here. You can read it yourself. What's the first thing we want to do today? Copy the concepts into slideshow. Second thing, find visual support for each concept. And notice, should be done by class Wednesday this week. Tomorrow, when we look at their slideshows tomorrow, I will do another overview. I will pull somebody's slideshow, and we can actually learn quite a bit just from the visuals. So by tomorrow, and today I'm going to give you 30 minutes to work on this in class, you should have your concepts and your visuals, your pictures in your slideshow. Then 3, find cited research from internet, copy paste. We start doing that tomorrow during class. We'll do one together. We'll write a CER. Now remember, this is an overview of the whole week. This is not due tomorrow. Doesn't say due tomorrow, but I'm giving you the outline, so if the internet goes down or you have to go on a trip or something like that, you could actually work through the week. Write a CR for your top 4 favorite slides. So remember, once you've got your concepts, once you have your cited research, you now get to pick what you want to become an expert in. You can, oh, I like this river. Oh, I like this civilization. Oh, I like this concept. Move those to the top. And those are the ones you'll do the best work. That's where you'll do your CRs. How many do we need this week? 4. But guess what? Bonus option this week. You can get rid of 3 CRs. You still have to have all the pictures. You still have to have all the concepts. You still have to have all the internet research, so you know about everything. But instead of doing 4 CRs, you may get a piece of paper at home, use your computer, do some research, draw a detailed map, and it's on the top of your slideshow when we go open one right now. Draw a detailed map of the Mesopotamian Canaan region, label some cities, draw some cool little pictures, do one little description, maybe have a key, like, oh, this is a city, these are trees. Do some research on maps, and you may draw a map. So if you're sick of the computer, you're sick of typing, get a piece of paper, look on the internet, just type in Fertile Crescent map, Mesopotamian map. You could even put colored map, labeled map. You will find a beautiful maps that you can basically copy and modify and change to make it your own, and that way you can work on a colorful art project this week. So tomorrow I say, okay guys, let's go write this CER, and I send you to go write the CER. Well, you can go work on your map. Now I want 1 CER in the slideshow, and you will basically have a CER on the map because you're going to describe your map a little bit, but it's a way to change it up. If you don't want to do all these CERs, you can do the map. Otherwise, just do the CER. So I'm giving you an option. You can do one, you can do the others to get your A. And remember, always, everything's clear in the top slide. All right, that's enough for today. You need to get working. The first easiest way to get behind is to not to do the work on the first day of the week. Right now, let's get your slides, investigate, research, find cool pictures, look at different pictures for these concepts, and then put your slideshow together. All right, let's get to work. Have a great day, everybody. Let's do this.